We're going to do a quick video to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2008 Honda Accord. The cabin air filter is located in the glove box. We're going to replace it today with this air filter. This was purchased for about $9 on Amazon.com. Link below. First thing we're going to do is we are going to open the glove box, and then we're going to release it because the air filter is actually mounted back here behind the glove box door. The first thing we need to do is to disconnect this little stop right here. And this stop is basically just a clip that goes on a post down at the bottom. So we grab that and we push that towards the front of the car, and that just lifts up and out of the way. With the side clip disconnected, to drop the glove box, you just press in on either side, and the glove box will drop down and out of the way. That gives us access to where the filter is located. There's a clip right there and a clip right there that will push into the center, and that will allow us to slide out the old filter. Definitely looks like it's time for a change. So here's a look at the old filter. It's amazing what actually got inside the car. Got some tree parts, pine needles, a beetle. All right, out with the old and in with the new. It says on the front of the filter holder that the airflow is down. And so we want to make sure that the airflow on the new filter is aligned so the airflow direction is also pointing down. Now this one looks a little bit dark because it has some charcoal in it, but it is obviously much cleaner than what we are taking out. Let's find the airflow direction. There it is, airflow down. And that is the orientation. So here you can see the old versus the new. To get out the old one, it just pops out of the frame from the bottom. Goodbye. Just tap that out. Make sure it's clean. And we are going to drop in the new filter, making sure that the airflow is going in the appropriate direction. A perfect fit. And slide the filter holder along with the new filter back in place until it clicks. Now all we need to do is snap the glove compartment back up in place, press in on the edges, and we're going to come around here and engage the little clip. You can pull this out. It snaps up into place. There you have it. Filter installed. This is Mike for the Mike Fixed It channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe, click on like, and I welcome your comments and suggestions in the spot below. Take care. I fixed it.